Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to change Instagram music length. To add music to the Instagram story, first of all, we need to contact Instagram and turn on the music option. So first I will show you how to do it. It's pretty easy to do. Open the Instagram app and now you need to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now you can find these three dots in the top right corner. So tap on it. Then click on this settings option in here. Scroll down and now you need to tap on this help option in the bottom. So here you need to tap on this report a problem option to report your problem. Next, click on this report a problem button and click on this include and continue button. So now you should mention your question in here. Ask them to enable music add option for story in your account. They will solve your problem in few days. Then you can easily add music to your story and change their length. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.